What's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Orbs again, and yes, today another blessed day and of course another reaction video ang gagawin natin. Syempre sa tawag ng tanghalan pa rin tayo dahil may nag-request po na mag-comment naman tayo sa performance ni Kent. Sa tawag ng tanghalan, Pangkat Pula, and ang kinanta niya dito ay ang Ben and Ben's The Ones We Once Loved. Sobrang tinitreasure ko yung kanta na to ng Ben and Ben's kasi sobrang nakaka-relate ako, and today intriga ako kasi sabi nila si Kent daw ang Bruno Mars ng Pilipinas. So let's find out kung totoo yon. And guys, kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating videos. So guys, without further ado, panoorin na natin ang performance ni Kent. Eto na po. Yan! Eto na!
Saw you singing.
Woo! Nice entry. Ang ganda ng opening. Let's go, Kent.
Saw the other day. It's been a long time since your eyes lit up that way.
Woo! Ang ganda ng boses niya, no? Ang ganda ng timbre. Parang falsetto yung datingan ng boses niya. Ang smooth lang, chill lang, ganon.
Felt the guilt build up as I look back how things went wrong. Did I have to sweep?
And what I can say guys, no, I see the emotions, I feel it, na parang bibigyan niya to ng kanyang sariling versyon, sarili niyang flavor, yung kanta na to ng Ben and Ben's.
Pain, scar you. 5 years we shared the bittersweet is all for you. Then we broke up because sometimes it is the best thing to do. Did it ever cross your mind that maybe you hurt
Ooh, emotions! Emotions! And guys, medyo nga naririnig ko nga na may pagka Bruno Mars tone to si Kent, no? And let's see kung saan part pa ng song natin maririnig yon.
But I'm not taking it against you. Since the beginning, I never wanted everything but to see you reach your dreams. I know that you just wanted me.
See, doon yung you. Oo nga, may pagka Bruno Mars nga to, no? And guys, I believe kung ikaw fan ng isang artist at palagi mo nang naririnig yung boses ng artist na yon, familiar ka na. And pag meron mga bagong singers tayong papanoorin, pakikinggan, manonotice mo nga na meron something. May hint, no? And of course, magbibigay naman ng sariling soul si Kent sa kanta na to.
But I have dreams of my own, and I just can't let them go. So I apologize for coming into your life.
Ooh, napakaganda naman nun. Ang rich, ang flavorful naman ng runs na yun.
Just to break your heart in pieces and leave you in the night. I
Ooh.
tried my best to stay by your side, but you knew the rolling seasons will reveal us sometimes. We aren't there.
Eh, those parang small ground, parang may pagka Bruno Mars nga akong naririnig doon. Napakahusay naman pala nito ni Kent, no? And that is why siguro kaya siya tinatawag na Bruno Mars ng Pilipinas. Napakaganda naman ng title na yon.
To be the one, so goodbye to the ones we once loved. I realized there wasn't anyone's fault at all. It's just that I wasn't built to build you up when
Hey, emotions. I love it.
you fall. Or maybe we were meant to be a lesson to each other. But I wish you well, and I'm sorry Apologize for coming into your life.
Napakaganda naman nung high notes na yun. Nakakakilig naman.
Just to break your heart in pieces and to leave you in the night.
Hey, napakahusay, napakagaling, napakaganda, ang flavorful, ang rich naman ng falsetto na yon, no? Whew. The head tone, the falsetto, perfect for me. Nice.
But who knew the rolling seasons would reveal us sometimes? We are meant to be the one. So goodbye to the one. I wasn't meant to be the one.
Woo! Rance, come on.
To the ones I once loved.
Hey, nice naman. Napakaganda ng performance na to ni Kent, no? Oo nga, may pagka Bruno Mars. And what I love, guys, sobrang yung emission umaapaw, and I think i-give souls talaga sa, sa kanta na to, no? And sobrang ganda. I love it. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung performance niya na to. Alright, I think that's it for today, guys. Sobrang maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa atin, and nakakita na naman tayo ng panibagong artist, and sana mas marami pang bagong artist ang mga dumating mag-join, no, sa mga ganitong competition. And guys, that's it for today. Again, this is Orbs po. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin. Sobrang kinilig ako today. And guys, kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating videos. Maraming salamat po sa mga OFW all over the world na nakakapanood po ng channel natin, ng mga videos natin. Please keep on subscribing po. And maraming salamat po ulit. See you po sa susunod nating video. This is Orbs. See ya.